400 billion cups of coffee per year are consumed across this world. 517 million cups of coffee a day are consumed in the United States alone. 66% of Americans drink coffee. That's 3.1 cups of coffee a day for the average coffee drinker. I'm supposed to do a collaboration with Brother Bill and Miss Gracie over there at Last Days Homesteading. I'll put their links down below in the description. He's doing a repurpose your coffee can collaboration. So I'm going to do that. With all this coffee drinking, I shouldn't have a problem finding a coffee can. I'm out here in my shop. Sure, they got a coffee can. This is a mustard can, but it looks like a coffee can. Same thing. Got nails in it. I can't use that and just show a repurposing video. Let's go to the greenhouse and see what we got out there. Well, I found a coffee can out here, but I'm using it to root my mums in. That's okay. I'm sure I got another coffee can that I can repurpose somewhere, and we'll be able to make this collaboration video. Let's go inside. I need to tag some people. I'm going to tag Coffee Walks and Whatever, Blue Collar Homestead, Living the Height Light, Off Grid. There's a coffee can. Got fertilizer in it. Doggone it. We may have a coffee can somewhere else. Hey Paul.
Yeah?
Have you seen a coffee can? I'm trying to do a video collaboration about repurposing coffee cans. I can't find one.
I haven't seen one.
Blinda, have you seen a coffee can I'm doing for this video?
I haven't seen one.
There's so much junk around here.